Hello, my name is Michael Fine, and welcome to HTML Lesson 7. In this one, we'll be talking about computer code in HTML. This is not that important of a subject, but I believe it may affect some of you who want to use computer code in any future websites that you design. Here's a quick recap of all the tags I've covered. If you don't remember some of these, I highly encourage you to revisit past videos. But just take a moment to look through them and see if there's any you don't know. Let's get into the important topic, computer code in HTML. Text is designated as computer code. This is only a visual change, by the way, in HTML using the code tags, and as usual, followed by the greater than and less than symbol. Next, to preserve the formatting of whatever code you want to use in your website, all you need to do is use the pre tag. As always, the end tag for code and pre requires a slash. The upper one is an example of computer code that is not formatted without the pre tag, and the lower one is an example of the pre tag being used, preserving the original format in the implementation that you can see on the screen. Now, on to the important part, input and output. An input to a program can be designated using the KBD tag, which stands for Keyboard Input Tag. I've bolded that for you. And an output of a program can be designated using the sample tag, abbreviated as SAMP. I've bolded that for you too. And it's important to note that these only designate inputs and outputs. This is only a visual change, and this doesn't really affect anything functionally. You can also see that from the output and implementation I've shown for you in this slide. And now for our next topic, variables in HTML. To designate them, we would use the var tag, which is an abbreviation for the word variable, followed by and preceded by the less than and greater than symbols. This only designates a variable. This is only a visual change, not an actual functional one. You can see that in the geometry calculator that I've made, which gives you the formula for the area of a sphere, which is 4/3 multiplied by pi multiplied by r cubed. And you can see that the radius is designated as a variable, so is pi. You can see that this is only a visual change, not an actual functional one. We've reached the end of the video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Goodbye.